Do you ever feel shy or confused while shopping in English?
Like when you want to ask for a discount but don't know the right words.
Don't worry. Today's conversation will teach you how to bargain and buy things naturally in English.
So stay with us till the end because you'll learn real market phrases that you can use anywhere in the world. Hey, Sarah, do you like going to local markets?
Oh, yes. I love the colors, the smells, and of course, the bargaining part.
Haha, I knew you'd say that. You're great at bargaining.
Thank you. It's an art, really. You need to sound polite but confident.
That's true. Some people feel shy asking for a lower price.
Exactly. But using the right English phrases makes it much easier.
Like, what do you usually say when you start bargaining?
I usually ask, is there any discount on this? Or can you give me a better price?
That's perfect. It sounds polite yet firm.
Yes, and tone matters a lot. A smile helps too.
Do you remember that time we went to the Sunday market together?
Of course. You were trying to buy that leather bag?
Yes. The shopkeeper said it was $50.
And you said, that's a bit expensive. Can you make it $40?
Exactly. I was nervous, but it worked. He agreed on $42.
See, confidence and friendliness go a long way.
Right. Never be rude or demanding.
Sometimes I start with a compliment to make it friendly.
Oh, like what?
I say, this looks really nice. What's your best price for it?
That's smart. You're showing interest while negotiating.
Yes, sellers appreciate polite customers.
Totally. It builds a good connection.
How do you usually ask for the price of something?
I just say, how much is this? Or, what's the price of that one?
Simple and natural. I sometimes say, how much are you asking for this?
Oh, that sounds more conversational.
Yeah, and if you're at a street market, it feels friendlier.
Do you ever ask for bulk discounts?
Oh, yes. I say, if I buy two, can you give me a better price?
Nice. That's useful when you're buying multiple things.
Exactly. Sellers usually agree to small discounts.
I once bought 3 t-shirts for the price of 2 that way.
Great deal. You're learning fast, Alex.
What do you say when the price is still too high?
I usually say, that's a bit out of my budget, or I saw a similar one for less.
Oh, that's clever, but still polite.
Yes, it gives them a reason to lower the price.
And you're not sounding rude or argumentative.
Exactly. Bargaining is about tone and words, both.
How do you handle fixed price shops?
I respect it. If they say, sorry, fixed price, I just smile and say, no worries, it's lovely.
That's polite. I like that approach.
Yeah, never push too hard. It's about respect.
True. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't.
Have you ever bargained in a different country?
Yes, in Thailand once. It was fun but tricky.
Oh, really? What did you say?
I said, that's a little high. Can you give me a local price?
That's cute. Did it work?
Yes. They laughed and gave me a small discount.
See? Humor helps too.
What about tone? Should people sound serious or friendly?
Friendly, always. You want to sound relaxed, not demanding.
I agree. Smiling changes the whole vibe.
Totally. You can even say, come on, give me your best price.
That sounds cheerful, not pushy.
Sometimes sellers offer free items instead of discounts.
Oh, yes, like buy two, get one free.
Exactly. I often ask, any special offers today?
That's a great line. Sounds professional and polite.
And it works almost every time.
What if you decide not to buy after asking?
I just say, I'll think about it, or I'll come back later.
That's respectful. You're not walking away rudely.
Yes, and sometimes they call you back with a lower price.
Oh, that's a good trick.
Yes, patience helps in bargaining.
Do you think bargaining is different online?
Yes, but some tips still apply. You can use phrases like, is there any discount available? Or, can you offer a better deal?
That's true. Many online sellers accept that politely.
Especially on marketplaces like Etsy or local selling apps.
Yeah, English politeness always works, online or offline.
What do you say when you finally agree on a price?
I say, okay, that sounds fair. I'll take it.
That's good. I usually say, deal, thank you.
Ending on a positive note makes the seller happy too.
Exactly. It's about mutual respect and friendliness.
Do you like paying in cash or by card at markets?
Cash mostly. It's easier and sometimes helps get discounts.
True, sellers prefer cash too.
And if I don't have change, I ask, do you have change for this?
Good phrase. I've used that before.
What if something's defective or broken?
I'd say, I think this one has a small problem. Can I check another piece?
Perfect. Always inspect before paying.
Yes, I learned that the hard way.
Me too, once.
So, what's your number one tip for market shopping in English?
Always smile and speak politely. Confidence is your best tool.
Totally agree, and learn a few natural phrases beforehand.
Exactly. Practice makes you sound natural and friendly.
And don't be afraid to ask for discounts. It's part of the fun.
Yes, bargaining is not just about saving money, it's about communication.
Well said, Sarah.
So, to everyone listening, next time you go shopping, try these English phrases.
Use them confidently, and you'll sound just like a local.
Remember, politeness, confidence, and a smile go a long way.
And who knows, you might even get a great deal.
Thanks for joining our market conversation today.
Keep learning English through real-life situations.
And we'll see you in the next episode of our podcast.
Happy shopping, everyone.